And I think the other thing was really the importance of, I guess, presenting material that really appeals to the students. That was the one important thing, because it was quality material. That's the difference between what they had been seeing before and what they're seeing now. And also to present things in a very cohesive way. That's the other thing that we noticed, that our syllabi were and our curricula were just scattered. We were doing bits and pieces of things here and there in the next quarter and the next semester,
Mhm.
but you could actually pull all those in, and you didn't really have to teach grammar separately on its own, but you could do it and you could teach it within an actual context. And that was, I think for me, that's the biggest
Yeah.
takeaway. So I just literally want to just tear apart all the textbooks that I'm using and redo all of this myself.
Yeah.
Bong, I don't know
I,
if there's anything you want to add.
I just want to add something. With these bits and pieces, we assumed that the students were putting everything together, but we quickly find out that it was not the case. And now with this work, I think we're just doing it for them, and it will be awesome. We were just assuming stuff. That's
That's
what
really
we
wonderful
learned.
to hear.
I think that not being able to be together physically in a room for several days to do this really sucks. I'll tell you that. But I really, really appreciated the videos. And I think that really should be a part of this going forward, because it was so much easier to actually follow along and have something in front of me where I could just, pause it for a second and be like, wait, this is an excellent idea. How can I actually apply this in my second year class? Let me just take some notes and maybe type up some stuff and look up things on my computer for the material that I have, and then go back to watching the rest of that video.
Do you mean the
So
workshop recordings?
yes,
Oh, okay.
the individual videos of the
Gotcha.
projects.
Oh,
And
of
I
these
thought,
projects, yeah.
oh, these projects. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
absolutely. And I found them to be incredibly useful. And I think the range of activities that people have designed is just mind blowing. And it's an incredible resource to have in front of you, because yes, you can take it and tweak it, but it's so much better than trying to do this all by yourself.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very inspiring. Like I already have, I don't even know, 3 or 4 new units to do in first year and second year just by watching the March presentations.
Mm-hmm.
It was incredible. So thank you everybody for the fantastic work that you've done. I am just really feeling super inspired watching all those videos. That's all I have to say.